May the evening soothe and welcome you, O travelers from Upper Egypt.
You will travel no further, because you are come. Here, you are at the beginning of time.
Amon, the father of all things, had for wife the goddess Mut, who sat a little below him, wearing her royal headdress of vulture feathers. Near to the father and the mother is the son, Hans, standing rigid as a mummy, with a crescent moon picked out upon his oblong head. They made up the Karnak triad, the Holy Family, for whom, and for 2,000 years, ceaselessly, complex fortifications were built by the hands of men.
In this house of the Father, each pharaoh thought of himself as a son, and wished to leave his mark upon it.
Each added, superimposed, overdid, outdid, through a span of 20 centuries.